in short, in Malaysia. So I'll tell you what we really need: international collaboration. Because picking up from the previous panel speakers, collaboration is actually non-trivial. So in the early days, okay, before we even knew, we Malaysian knew theoretical physics at all, we had Thomas Kerr to be at University of Malaya. This is 1962, I think. And we had a few pioneers, which is listed there. And they are all working in different fields. And again, when you work in different fields, there's no real collaboration between these individuals, but no. They try to get students and so on. And finally, it evolved after having students for a few generations, I suppose. The groups get bigger, and I think the biggest group is essentially in University of Malaya. They have now formed what we call National Center for Particle Physics, which is established by the Academy of Science. They have also a Quantum Science Center, which is owned by the university, Center for Theoretical and Computational Physics. And essentially these are the principal researchers. Again, there are a variety of different fields inside this. And the next largest group actually comes from a very junior university, which is an international Islamic university, which was formed in 1983. But the fact that they are international, they have the ability to invite people from abroad, particularly from post-Soviet countries. Okay? So they get all these researchers from Uzbekistan and so on. The other one, the earliest, second earliest university was University of Science, USM. Previously, David Tilley was there, and presently there's a group on high energy physics led by Rosite, but Rosite is actually retiring and now replaced by her students. Rosite was actually a student of Professor O. Oh, okay. And then in UKM also we had previously I mentioned Professor Lim Siew Cheng and Professor Shari. Again, most of their students left UKM, so we are left with a small group. Okay. And interestingly, in University of Nottingham, we have a good cluster of theorists. And we had Teo Li Ping, which is a student of Yonata Tajan. And then Tibon An was my ex-postdoc, Tosin Ko was my ex-student. UTM has a different kind of feeling, direction, okay, due to the nature of their university, their technological university. They have formed this Center for Industrial and Applied Maths, which is in collaboration with the Center of Industrial and Applied Maths in Oxford, and presently headed by Zainal Abdul Aziz, which is actually a student of Prof. Shari in UK previously. And of course UPM was my own university. Earlier we had the first head of the department of physics was a theorist. Unfortunately he died after second year, I think. So I didn't know what his field is. And we had Prof. Yusuf, who was doing nuclear physics, and Zainal condensed matter, but they have left. So essentially I had to rebuild my theory group in a way. So, and essentially these are like some students of mine. And then there will be some scattered theories elsewhere. Okay, and in Petronas University, in Perlis, in USIM, which is another Islamic university. So these are scattered theories doing different things, and we find it a bit hard to actually collaborate with each other. And these are the things I want to see, because each institution tend to develop different niche areas because in competition with each other. So within Malaysia, there's very little collaboration, but with international partners, they tend to be more, because due to links with their ex-supervisors and acquaintances. I suppose I should mention about the National Center for Particle Physics. They have a formal link with CERN through the Academy of Science. So they are sending students there to be trained, and also they also have been involved in ZEUS collaboration and also CMS. So we are keeping channels open within ourselves in Malaysia, and also with with international partners. On my own part, I've been trying to get people to come to UPM Malaysia, particularly, and to help us move on with highly technical kind of areas, so that we learn more and grow. Okay, so this is the kind of initiative that I did. We call it expository quantum lecture series, equals. But of course, as they say, some people are more equal than the other. So, but we hope that with international collaboration, that we can have the theoretical community and fundamental physics community to grow nationally. I think that's all. Thank you.